Women empowerment. The movie Dangal is a biography of Mahavir Singh Phogat, a former wrestling champion who had to quit the sport due to his family pressure, as it was not helping his family financially. Since he was passionate about the sport, he dreamed of making his future son win a gold medal for the country in wrestling. But back to back, he has 4 daughters. Mahavir is disheartened because his dream can't be fulfilled and starts staying away from the sport. Then suddenly, he got a complaint from the neighborhood that his daughters, Geeta and Babita, beat down 2 boys in the locality. Mahavir's hope is revived and thinks of his daughters as future wrestlers. Mahavir says, "All along, I was desperate for a son so he could win a gold in wrestling for India. But what didn't occur to me was that gold is gold, whether won by a boy or a girl." He began training his daughters. In training them, he goes against the current and is criticized by all, including his wife and the daughters, who disliked the father for the hard training they were subjected to. But when they realized that the father was doing it all for their betterment and for their brighter future, they took the training seriously. Geeta soon becomes a known wrestler in the state when she wins the sub-junior, the junior and the national championships. Geeta moves to NSA, National Sports Academy, Patiala, to prepare for international competitions. Away from her father, under a new coach, and influenced by her new friends, Geeta loses her focus and even disowns her father's coaching techniques, and subsequently loses every international competition she participated in. Babita too wins the nationals and joins the NSA and brings about reconciliation between the father and her sister Geeta. Mahavir moves to Patiala to secretly train his daughters under his own norms, for he knew that medalists don't grow on trees. You have to nurture them with love, with hard work, with dedication and with passion. Geeta wins the gold in the Commonwealth Games, defeating the Australian wrestler thanks to her father. The movie is about women empowerment. Before the final match, Mahavir tells his daughter, "Tomorrow you have to fight in a way that people will remember you. If you win silver, sooner or later you will be forgotten. If you win gold, you will be an example. And examples are given, not forgotten. Do you see those girls? If you win tomorrow, you will not win alone. Millions of girls like them will win along with you. It will be a victory for every girl who is considered inferior to boys, who is forced into household chores, who is married off just to raise children. Tomorrow's match is the most important one, because tomorrow we are not fighting just an Australian, but all those people who think lesser of girls. So go out there and become an example for all. We need women at all levels. They should never doubt their capabilities. They should know that they are valuable and powerful and deserving of every chance and opportunity in the world to pursue and achieve their own dreams. Men need to reshape their own perception about women, and women should step up as women and take the lead and perform to their potential.